All right, y'all, we got something a little bit different, but just as cool and iconic. We got 1987 Toyota Land Cruiser. This thing is phenomenal, so stay tuned. We'll take you all around her, get her on a test drive, show you all the goods. All right, y'all, so like I said, we got an 87 Land Cruiser. This thing is beautiful. As you can see, this silver shows perfect on this vehicle. I'll probably get a paint about a 9. I've already been around it, but let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, she's got the big mud tires all the way around, perfect depth, matching tires all the way around. Coming around the passenger side, no flaws anywhere in the paint that I can point out. I didn't see any dents, any trim missing or anything. Of course, we'll you know, get around it just to be on the safe side. All trim is intact around the windows, how it should be. Roof rack still installed. Looking down the passenger side, body is nice and straight. Rear glass is solid, no cracks, no rock chips of any kind. As well as the tailgate. It's got that clamshell style tailgate. We'll open it up later when we check out the interior. Rear bumper is in great shape, nice and straight, no rust, no pitting. Looking down the driver's side, again, nice and straight. Beautiful, beautiful truck. And coming around to the front, windshield is in great condition, no rock chips, no cracks, no spider webbing of any kind. And looking at the hood, she's nice and straight, no rock chips. Panel gaps are nice and solid, no paint peeling at the corners or anything. And then looking at the front of the vehicle, again, all chrome is perfectly intact. Bumper is nice and straight, no dents, no nothing there. So let's get around here, check out this interior. Push down on the door lock. Guess I need to pop the hood first. Under hood is relatively clean. It's got the 4.0, the six cylinder. We got power brakes, power steering, and we got ice cold AC as well. Let me go ahead and pop the hatch open. Hard to do it with one hand, but to show you guys, push in the button, lift up the top. Jams are extra clean. As you can see, some parts have been replaced, so we just left them in the truck. New alternator, new distributor been replaced, so just wanted to kind of leave some of that stuff in there. Rear is super clean. Let's go ahead, check out the passenger rear. Beautiful cloth seats. No stains, no rips, no tears anywhere in there. We got black carpet. Black carpet's in excellent shape as well. Not sure if it's original or it's been replaced, but there's no discoloration. So door panel's nice and solid as well. Check out the passenger's front while I'm over here. As you see, she is a 4-speed manual. Again, seats are super clean, no rips, no tears. Dash is in excellent condition, no warping, cracks of any kind. And the doors just close super smooth, like, you know, they don't need to be oiled or anything. And they're sufficiently light as well, surprisingly. Again, beautiful interior. Headliner nice and clean, no sagging. Driver's side door panel the same, no rips, no tears. Driver seat solid. Little tiny bit of a rip here, but nothing that's super noticeable. It's just the cloth. Again, dash is super clean. Mileage reads 103,789. And when we do the test drive, we'll check everything out. All right, we'll go ahead and get started. We're gonna fire her up. Fires right up as expected. AC is already on, blowing cold. We already checked that. Radio itself, I know it works, but I'm gonna still go ahead and throw it on the radio. Just so you guys can hear that. Radio works. Right turn signal. Left turn signal works.
Dash lights are on.
Dash lights are on. Horn works.
I don't know what else you do.
Wipers.
Okay.
Wipers solid. So yeah, everything's pretty good in here. Everything works. Windows are manual, so no need to check none of that. Amazing. It's been well kept. The 4-speed seems super smooth right now. Throttle response is good. I know it's just a little, you know, V6, but still. No crazy sounds, no belt squeals, no door rattling or windows in the door. Everything sounds good. Just open up these vents. Definitely shifting smooth though.
Smooth, no gear grind, rattle, noise or anything. Perfect.
Cool. We'll go ahead, we're gonna bend this corner, get it back on the rack. Okay, Land Cruiser up on the rack, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is gonna be like the highlight of this vehicle. Underneath is almost flawless. There is no rust anywhere, and I know on these particular trucks, normally you find these, they're rusted out. So frame extensions, super solid. Again, no rust that I can point out anywhere. Looks like we got new body mounts in a couple places. I'm gonna keep moving forward. No signs of any leaks or anything from the rear end, just came off the test drive. Again, getting up in the floors and the frames, we have zero rust. Of course, you got your normal little surface, but that's because there's not coating in every spot. But we have no soft spots, no patchwork anywhere. Frame is nice and straight as well. This thing is borderline immaculate underneath. Trans looks super clean. Again, fresh off the test drive. No signs of any leaks anywhere underneath. This thing looks beautiful underneath. Somebody came through and just did a light little scuff and recoated. I think this thing would last another 50 years. Like, it is beautiful under here. No signs of any leaks anywhere. Front bumper is in great condition. No dents, no rust, and no pitting. Coming down the passenger side. Wheel wells look nice and solid. Underneath, again, the body and frame are beautiful. Let me see, I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer. As you can see, those body mounts are nice and full, in excellent shape. And that's all three on this side. We're gonna keep on moving. Again, underneath the body is immaculate, even on the rear quarter. Let me get over to the driver's side. Again, zero issues. You can see those mounts. Again, mounts aren't chewed up, and neither are the actually mounting points for those either. So It's always one area that you have to check on these vehicles that rust out, and again, this frame is immaculate. So all right, if you're interested in this Land Cruiser, make sure you give us a call at 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and Instagram. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe below. Appreciate you watching.